Hey everyone, what's going on? Tech Scoper here, back with another phone showdown, and this time it's an epic battle between two of Samsung's latest offerings, the Galaxy Y55 5G and the Galaxy F54 5G. Now, if you're a die-hard Samsung user on the hunt for a new phone with blazing fast 5G speeds, you might be torn between these two contenders. But fear not, fam, because I'm here to break down their key features and help you decide which one reigns supreme for your needs. Display and design. Let's kick things off with the visuals. Both phones boast expansive displays. The Y55 with a 6.6-inch panel and the F54 sporting a slightly larger 6.7-inch screen. They both come with smooth 120Hz refresh rates for that ultra-responsive feel, perfect for gamers and scrollers alike. Design-wise, the Y55 has a more modern, bezel-less look with a punch-hole selfie camera, while the F54 rocks a water drop notch. It's really a matter of personal preference here. Both phones are sleek and stylish in their own right, performance and cameras. Under the hood, the Y55 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 780G processor, while the F54 packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. Now, the Snapdragon is a powerhouse, no doubt, but the Dimensity 780G is no slouch either, offering solid performance for everyday tasks and even some light gaming. On the camera front, both phones boast quad-camera setups on the back, with the Y55 featuring a 48MP main sensor and the F54 bringing a 64MP main shooter. Both offer decent image quality, but the F54 might have a slight edge in low-light situations. Battery and storage. When it comes to battery life, the Y55 packs a 5000 mAh battery, while the F54 comes in with a slightly smaller 4500 mAh capacity. However, the F54 supports faster 25W charging compared to the Y55's 15W storage-wise. Both phones offer 128GB base variants, with the F54 offering an additional 256GB option for those who need more space. So, which one wins? Well, fam, it depends on your priorities. If you're a gamer or need the absolute best performance, the F54 might be the better choice. But if you prioritize battery life and a more affordable option, the Y55 is a solid contender. Ultimately, the best phone for you is the one that best suits your needs and budget. But hey, that's why I'm here, to help you navigate the tech jungle and make informed decisions. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech showdowns and reviews. Let me know in the comments below which phone you think wins this battle and what other comparisons you'd like to see. Until next time, stay tech savvy, fam.